Hi, welcome to my channel. Week 9 review of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Follow me to read them out loudly one by one. Let's get started. 彩虹，彩虹，彩虹 rainbow. 星星，星星，星星 star. 雨伞，雨伞，雨伞 umbrella. 价格，价格，价格 price. 昂贵，昂贵，昂贵 expensive. 便宜，便宜，便宜 cheap. 草稿，草稿，草稿 draft. 参加，参加，参加 join. 插队，插队，插队 jump a queue. 约会，约会，约会 dating. 跳舞，跳舞，跳舞 dance. 唱歌，唱歌，唱歌 sing. 加班，加班，加班 work overtime. 薪水，薪水，薪水 salary. 请假，请假，请假 ask for leave. 预定，预定，预定 reserve. 签名，签名，签名 signature. 护照，护照，护照 passport. 升职，升职，升职 promotion. 结婚，结婚，结婚 get married. 恭喜，恭喜，恭喜 congratulations. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.